Hello and welcome to SharePoint Online for Beginners. My name's Eddie Wantland, and I've been a SharePoint developer and consultant for 14 years. It's certainly a pleasure to welcome you. Looking at the structure of this course, we're in the first module, the beginner module of a course that will extend from beginner into intermediate and on into advanced. Who is this course for? Well, it's for beginners with no prior knowledge of SharePoint. If you've never used it at work, if you've never heard of the cloud, if you're completely new, this course is here to hold your hand, and I'm going to walk you through SharePoint Online step by step. You are in the best hands on the planet. What are we going to learn? Well, first of all, what is Office 365 and what is SharePoint? Next, we're going to be going over our key terms, then looking at a team site layout as well as customization of that team site. Next, we're going to be working with news posts, then using document libraries, and finally concluding with how lists work. We've got a lot ahead of us, and I'm really excited to be with you. Let's get started.